if you want to destroy a generation, you destroy a male child, because a male child is a continuity of a generation. So, secondly, if you want to destroy destinies, destroy a male child, because each and every male child has a destiny that he came to fulfill in this world. So we exist as an organization to provide two things: protect generations and protect destinies. Let me link it biblically, even in our culture. Okay. Biblically, there was a time where the children of Israel were in captivity under Pharaoh.
Sure.
And there was an instruction that all the Hebrew boys must be killed. And the reason was so that the nation will not grow. So from that perspective, the enemy of Hebrews said, kill the male child for the nation not to grow. And secondly, when you come to destinies, we look at when Jesus Christ was born. King Herod said, because we don't know who is Jesus between these boys, every boy that is under 2 years must be killed.